Take a picture.
Alright, I'm outside of Wal-Mart at Newburg and got some bottle returns. So let's go return some bottles. Oh, be quiet, Dad. Yeah, my dad's laughing.
You see the crow up there's waiting to eat you. Look. Bad luck.
That's funny. And there's property. And there's a reason why I chose Wal-Mart. T-42s, 52s, and 62s. These aren't the colored ones though, unfortunately. Not working. Working! Here, I got glass. Yeah, I know. I got glass machine right here. Because they're all on the top.
Okay. They're here?
They're all on the top. I am. Lot seems to be a blank today. Crap. What? Because that's how you shut it in.
No, you're not going to break it.
Anything else? Oh, some rolling rocks. They fell down. I know I saw some right here. My left hand is so sticky right now. Do not comment on that. Alright, that's all the glass. Printing receipt. Please insert empty glass.
Want to wash your hand? You gotta take one.
There you go.
Wash your hand.
I'll do all the returns first, then I'll wash. I remember these things when I was so younger. These things were always in Wal-Mart and ShopRite. Then it's the new ones. I love the double load strip. Damn. Be quiet, Dad. That's a bottle. I was always gonna put a bottle in the can machine. So do so far no returns, surprise. Seems not as close. And I thought that was a face for a second. That's hilarious. Oh, we got our first return. It says New York on it, so. Well, we'll try it again. There we go.
Different direction.
Tomra. Peace. A lot of money. Or getting a lot of money. These are definitely my favorite reverse vending machines ever. Oh, we have a...
Why I said...
Oops. We have a glass. Oh well. There you go. We'll have to get that glass at the end. That's a plastic, but it's broken. Here's a working plastic in a very dimly lit area. Oh, well that, I don't think that plastic's good. Oh well. Alright, so we'll go to the one down here. Insert empty plastic container, T-22. These ones are definitely my favorite. It's hard to get a look inside. That's cool, long time. These things are definitely so cool. Oh, we got one back. Yeah, you gotta wait for the light to turn green. Oh, that's it. Hey, Dad, I'll do that one. Oh, okay. Let's give it to the ladies. Yeah. T-32.
Get your money out of there?
I got it. It's in my hand. T-22. And T-42. And that is it.